I bet this voice is annoying, because it is annoying. So I'm going to stop now. Hello, thank you for watching. Before I begin, there just may be cursing, there may be bad language, and there may be cursing and bad language, the same thing. I did a double negative, didn't I? And there will be stuttering, and there will be bad grammar, obviously. Now, this is a PVC Darth Vader lightsaber I made. You may hear whining. That's my best friend, Mimi. She's upset because I've made too many takes of this video. So, yeah, this is my PVC Darth Vader lightsaber. Let me go through it real fast. It has an 18650 Li-ion battery, a P4 red LED. It has all PVC except for this centerpiece here. This is made from PVC sink pipe. This and this is from a air-dried clay made from paper-based clay. This crap here. And that created this and this. This is from a Master Replica toy, and it has two retention screws. This I add for dueling, and this just to have hold the blade in. This broke about 2 hours ago. I know I'm going fast. I made like 4 videos that I did not like. So this is number 5, and I'm sick of talking. So let's move on. My boy broke that. I gotta fix it. It kind of pissed me off, but now I'm over it. And it's a 10-inch long blade. Hilt. It has an even balance with a 30-inch blade. And the blades I use are 3¼ inch blade. Let me show you how nice and bright that boy gets. Here we are. Beautiful all the way up. Looking nice, right? I'm in my workspace, in my personal little. This is what you get as a bedroom once you get married. You had a bedroom as a child throughout your life. You get married, you get a garage. Some people who have a lot of money have man caves, but this is what I got, and I'm happy with it. Got all my tools, crap. Now, like I said, it's PVC. And let me give you a nice closer look at the saber. Oh, Mimi. Stop it, girl. Alright. Thank you for watching. That being me PVC lightsaber. I hope you liked it. I did. And I hope you come back. That is a horrible accent, but I gave it a try. I hope you, that didn't piss you off like it did me. So, I kissed my dog, that's what I kissed. I would kiss at you. Okay, so, thanks for watching. Come back, subscribe, share, do what you gotta do, and I will appreciate it. I'll appreciate it. I hold my hands open, and I have my eyebrows raised. Trust me, I'm showing like major league physical emotion that says that I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Alright. Thanks for watching.